Hi Taurus, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for February 2022. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into this oracle deck that I have here. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and just dive into your reading, Taurus. Towards the final days of January 2022, stepping into February 2022, we have the Six of Pentacles. Possibly, in these final days, you were quite generous, or maybe someone was quite generous towards you. Maybe expenditure was also on the cards for you. Some of you may have been investing in gadgets. Maybe they were malfunctioning, so you needed to replace them. Incidentally, Taurus, in this time you were quite temperamental. Maybe at the workplace also you were asked to brush up on your skills, or you were asked to be more competent. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that February is going to pose for Taurans worldwide is the Page of Swords. I think you're somebody who wants to be very forceful. You have set your intentions on goals which seem to be far-fetched according to family members. Maybe you're contemplating on your future, and this is creating mistrust in your relationship, especially with your father or family elders. I think you want to set sail for greener pastures. You want to travel for higher education or even for better prospects, but then your pockets may not be too deep. Nevertheless, I think, Taurans, you're going to be someone who is going to be quite pushy. You want to promote your talents. Maybe there's also going to be a travel related work offer, but you need to take everything with a pinch of salt because this is in the challenge position, Taurus. Influences for this month, we have the Strength card. I think minor gains are quite likely. Possibly, surprises are in store for you. Dues could also come in. Appreciation is also on the cards because you're someone who is not going to be forceful or pushy when it comes to relationships. Maybe you're somebody who wants to weigh your pros and cons before you deliberate. Incidentally, Taurus, in this month, I'm also picking up that you need to distance yourself from certain relationships. Maybe they are done and dusted for good. Nevertheless, I think professionally you're going to complete a lot of work, even if there is stress. Sometimes, you should also be more cooperative. Maybe you will insist that your way is the right way, and this could create disagreements with colleagues. Later, you may realize that you were wrong in having such assumptions or wrong in being so adamant about your way forward, but you are going to be excused by the superior. I think this month you should also be careful because there could be poor internet connectivity which could hamper your work. The first 10 days of February, we have the Queen of Cups. You see this lady, she's very pretty, she's beautiful, intuitive, even emotional because it's the Cups energy. Possibly you're coming across as someone who's very gifted and articulate. You're quite creative as well. But because this is the Cups energy, you could be a bit emotional. You may be someone who gets unnerved if criticism is directed at you. Incidentally, Taurus, you should also be careful because within the workplace, there could be someone who is trying to usurp your position, or someone is trying to undermine your authority. Maybe you want to put in your papers, but then this is a challenge which will embolden you, so you need to focus on these challenges. Maybe you will also be asked to keep your ego aside because ego has no place in this world if you want to progress in the spiritual level. Ideally, I think you need to forgive and forget. Maybe your superior could also ask you to do some soul searching. I think the entire episode could leave you crestfallen, but then these are life lessons that you need to learn this month. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th February, we have the Seven of Wands. I think in these days you should press for an advance while you're carrying on with the task. Maybe there are going to be certain clients who expect their pound of flesh but they don't want to oblige, or they are going to pay you peanuts. Nevertheless, I think this is a time when there'll be sudden developments. Maybe you will be distracted a bit. Sometimes, you have a very professional approach because you're somebody who wants to get up early or work late into the night and carry on with the task. Maybe your junior could also ask a client to not take undue advantage of you. I think even as the leader, you're going to be praised for the way you have cemented your authority or for bringing about revolutionary changes within the workplace. The management is certainly going to be appreciative of your efforts, but then you are somebody who doesn't want to blow your own trumpet. But I think you should understand that it is also important to highlight your contributions. Even your loved ones are going to be promoting your talent at this time. The final days of February, we have the Emperor card. This person seems to be in control or is going to safeguard his territory. Incidentally, the Emperor is someone who could also be quite bossy and dogmatic. So, Taurus, the key here is to be a balanced individual, to listen to the viewpoint of others, to collaborate with others. Maybe some of you are also going to be focusing on learning at this time. You should enroll for higher education if you so desire. Your talents and your skills will definitely be on display and they'll be appreciated. Besides, you're going to be in a very competitive mode. I think you should carry on with whatever you're doing instead of attempting something new. Maybe work could also pile up because there are workers who are quite incompetent or they are going to skip work or they're going to be absent. This means that there could be some overwhelming moments. You may feel as though you're not productive enough. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be sandwiched between your immediate superior and the administrator. Maybe you feel that the administrator has impractical ideas. I think you should listen to your immediate superior at such a time. Maybe some of you also thinking about taking loans. Incidentally, I think, Taurus, you should also safeguard your health at this time. From the Love Oracle deck, we have this card, clueless, confused and perplexed. Possibly with respect to your romantic connection, you could be quite confused and perplexed or baffled about how this relationship is progressing. I think you need to set the record straight. I think for some Taurans, it is also quite likely that you should steer clear of relationships where you are dealing with infidelity. Maybe this person is not going to change his ways and you should realize that it's no point pursuing a man or a person who is disrespectful of you. Nevertheless, I think this month there are going to be suitors. This is the Valentine month. I think work-related romance is also on the cards. Maybe you should be more open and receptive to love that is coming in or to new love that is coming your way rather than be closed off. I think you have a way with words this month. That is why I think you're going to charm those whom you meet or interact with on account of work. But then Taurus, I think you're going to put limitations on yourself. Maybe you're confused about the status of this relationship. Maybe you feel that this relationship is not going to make any headway, though there's an attraction or an immediate attraction. Maybe you feel that there are going to be family limitations. That is why you want to detach yourself or distance yourself. Incidentally, romantic Taurans, it's also possible that your lover could be quite insecure. Perhaps he thinks that you have other admirers, or maybe he thinks that he is not someone who can match up to your looks and your beauty. But you're someone who wants to reassure him that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Another card we have here is forgiveness with respect to your love life. Like I said, you want to move away from relationships which are toxic. So certainly you should forgive this person for your own good rather than be tormented by it. Maybe your partner is also quite suspicious this month. I think he needs to apologize or you need to apologize for your behavior. Sometimes you may also feel as though your person is quite demanding. He desires your full attention. But at other times he is back to square one. He is back to ill-treating you. This month, Taurus, you could also be the caregiver. A message from the universe is rainstorm, melancholy, it says here. I think Taurus, there could be time when you could be quite sad or you may be unhappy with your situation. Maybe this could be because of someone undermining your position at work, somebody disregarding you. Even in personal relationships, I think you may be feeling a bit disappointed. Maybe it's best to heal your soul. It's best to forgive this person because forgiveness did come up in your reading, Taurus. The last card in this reading is Shaman, which talks about ancient healing wisdom. Like I said, Taurus, this month you could be unwell or you could also be the caregiver. Maybe you should be kindly disposed or you should act like a healer towards those who are unwell or sick. Surely February is a time for deep healing, starting with your relationship with spirit. I think you should invoke your spirit guides, your ancestors to help you with any emotional, mental or physical healing that you need. In case there's a rift in a relationship, then you should mend the fences. Alternative healing could also be the case here because the shaman is very connected with nature, so you need to explore that aspect as well. Basically, this month you should let healing of your spirit be your priority. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.